Ayos mo yung mukha mo.
In the Bible, there's the first letter.
Hello, go. Hello. Morning, mga friendship. This is our last day in Interlaken, Ost. Over there, look. How clear is the water. Very clear. It's like swimming pool, but it's not. It's a river. And then you can drink in the... No, not in the lake. In the fountain in there. Or in the falls. Look. Interlaken. Going up there. Harderkum. Ayan, yun po yung hotel natin doon. Ayan, hotel natin doon. Asan ba? Ayun. Maingay lang po.
Next to the boat.
Next to the boat ride. Our hotel.
Going to Lake Prince.
Yan.
Do you guys want to see me play my slingshot?
Yeah, come on. Slingshot ka.
Captain 7.
Oh,
Slingshot ka na.
slingshot ka na. Ayan, dito kuan. Yan ang town ng Interlaken.
Walk to the town.
And going down in there is Interlaken West. This is Interlaken Ost. Yes, nice walk at the river in the morning, but it's raining. Our last day. See you later in Geneva. Bye, amigo. Oh, Pakete kommen in Grotten. I don't know what's mean. This is Grand Hotel in Interlaken. Ito ang street of Interlaken. This one. Tivoli Cafe Bar. Ay, dalawa mo kulit. Ayan. Nagkukulitan. Ito. Ayos mo. Started naman. Ayan. Lakad-lakad tayo dito sa street ng Interlaken. It's a nice street. Anyway, even it's raining. Ito yung petrol station nila. Swiss shop. May shop dito. Daming souvenir shop. But you need to spend 3 times if you're gonna buy something or eat something. Quite clear. Inexpensive. Ito. May welcome to Vietnam. Welcome to Vietnam. Look at the puppy. It's not puppy. Dog one. Yeah, very nice. Got BMW here. Hotel Interlaken. Ayan, medyo posh kayo. Dito kayo mag-book sa Hotel Interlaken.
Daddy?
Ito. You cannot petrol. Put some petrol in there. But in Sarmat, there's no cars. I think there's a cars, but they need to be electric.
Tatanis Hotel Interlaken.
Tama. Yan. Ayan yung church nila. Church of Interlaken. Let's go to the church. You need to pray first. Oh. I'm gonna shoot the fish. Over there, fish.
Not allowed.
Ang daming koi fish in here. Sa Japanese garden. Ito, Hotel Interlaken. Over there. Ito may church still. And I enjoy the beauty of fish pond. It's a bit messy. There's loads of leaves falling down. This is autumn time. Hindi na itong Sasyado. Sasyado. Put some tomato. Sorry guys, a joke. Japanese garden. My favorite garden. Sa Japanese garden. Switch watches. Ito si Kungkan man. Kungkan man yun. Dapat ng titrim siya. Sipag sila dito. Kaya perfectionist. Everything that you need to be perfect. Nakaayos lahat. Grand Hotel. View, Revenge. The view from the river. Yan yun. Ito, Interlaken. Ito, when you book your paragliding, you can paraglide over there. Yan, ganda. Interlaken West, that side. Backpackers Villa. Yan, yun na ng bundok nila yan, no? Kailangan it's raining, so select it properly. Casino Corsal. Yan, o. Paragliding. Yan, o. Ganda, o. Yan, we're gonna walk in there, going there, very far away. Ito, parang hotel din to. Ang dami ditong shops. Picture ako, picture.
Where are we going?
We're going back in the near to train station. Ayan, no? Ganda nung nilang mga street dito. Ayan. Daming plug. Interlaken. We're going back to our hotel. And then we're going back to Geneva. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan. Over there, yun. Pataas. They say about 3,000 feet over there. We went there. Have some lunch. Ito mga hotel na dito. Royal Hotel. Hotel Royal. St. George. Over there, ice cream. Ito mga shop. Yan. Mga souvenir shops. Phil Alpine shops. Yan. Ito mga bago, ganda. Alpine shops. Wood carving. Chalet di Diana. Chalet Diana. Over there. So, back to the Japanese garden. Church. Church. The finish line. Uy! Ayan, dami naglilinis. Ay. Ayan, bagong dating na naman yan. Train to Busan. There are loads of tourists. Ayos mo yung mukha. Ayos. Ayos mo. Natwak. Oh. Nangotok. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ayos ka. Inatak. Ayos mo. 1, 2. Oh, ayos. Ayos.
Teka!
Ayos ka. Come on. Ayos. Ayos mo yan. Ayos. Ayos.